Welcome back to this tutorial and welcome back to No Max TV. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use citations or how you can cite your document using Microsoft Office Word. So you may be having a wrong document and you want to be including citations in your document and you want to do automatic citations using Microsoft Office Word. This is what I'm going to show you in this video. And if you did not subscribe to this channel, Max TV, subscribe today. Like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at No Max TV. So now let's get started. So I'm going to be using two parts. I'm going to use first one is MS Word as you see, which is open here. Then I'm going to open again PowerPoint. I find the source of the information that I want to cite. After that, I come here to MS Word. Suppose that I have written information here. For example, is my information of the country and the national management association. Yes, is very important. So because the gloss country, yes. So for example, this is a sentence that I want to cite. So if you see the sentence, if it's my sentence, I can be uh, putting a full stop there, say that it's my own quote I said for by myself. But if it is from someone else, say I need to also to cite so that I acknowledge that person who has also said this information or who has produced this kind of information. So you have to remember to cite the information which is not yours, and that is the reason why I'm going to be also showing you this. So let's go, suppose that if this sentence is from someone else, and let's go to Google, then find, for example, someone who may have said this information. So for example, I can search for the importance of the development of the country. Yes, this is the I want to get a result from this. If I search this, I want to get various results which talk about the importance of the development from the country. So now, if I come here, scroll down, and I see which one I can cite. So, for example, I can come here to International Monetary Fund to see this source, or I can come here to Brilliant. As you see, it is having a date that is have been also written or published. I can click on this. If I find this, I go to find if there is an author here. Yes, you see this has the information, has December 14th, 2021, and the author is this one, and also it has the title. Now let's open this. Now let's put our cursor here and come to reference. Now we put citation. We insert citation. We add a new source, as you see here. We want to be adding new source. So after coming into new source, we go back to our document, which is the source of the information. Suppose that this sentence is from this sentence we have written here is from this article, which is here. I can first of all copy this author who has been writing this information. Then I come here and I put here, as you see, is an author. If I have multiple author, let's go to this one first. Then what I need to do, I come also take the title of the article as the source. Maybe I will be having a book. Then I put here title. Now I put the journal name. So now I'm citing the journal. If it's a journal, I put also journal name here. Then, but I'm citing a website because you see an article which is on a website. I come and choose website. Then I put website name here. So after choosing website name, you see now the website name is Brilliantio. Brilliantio. Now I come here and write it here. Brilliantio. You can type it .com if it's .com. Now I come here I scroll down, I see the date. As you see, the date is December 14th, 2021. Now I come here and type December 14, yes, 2021. If it's 2021, and now I come here below. I come here and copy the URL of this article. So I put this one. So I can also come, you see now I have filled all the information from here, and I can come here and scroll down. If I want to fill this information, I can put here the data I access this information, for example, 24th, uh, yes, the year 2022. This is the time I have also accessed this information. I put the month, which is also December. Now I put the day, which is 24 December. Now I can also scroll down and fill out the information that I may be having if I see short title. So maybe my article may have having another short title that I may be wanting to put there. I can add there. So standard number, comments, media, DOI. So as you see this one which is required, you can also fill only that one which are recommended. So after this, I can even minimize this. You see now this now it's a website. I can turn it to journal article. If it's journal article, you see they ask me your name and pages that I have retrieved that sentence. I quoted. If it is not it, I come here to report. If it's report, also you see it changes to publisher. I put there. If it's also document from website, so it's here again there the same. If it is also book, also I can put there. If anything, I can choose whatever I want to be put in there. If it's a book section, if it's a book, also see the information changed accordingly, and you can be filling the information will be finding to that book if it's the one I want to cite. So let's keep it as now as a website, as the one where we are citing, because you see it's our website we are citing. We put our website, now click OK. So after clicking OK, it's automatically cite itself. You see it's the last name here. As you see, this is the last name of this information. Now it's the last name for the author. Now it comes there. So now let's go back and show you if you have so let's first also show you now how we are going to be retrieving the reference list. So you have to go to its own page, as you see. Now you scroll down and start its blank page, because that page is the information one. Now you click here and go to reference. You can choose the reference. You can choose also whether you want bibliography. You can choose work cited. Now when you come here, you format this. You see it is different in a different font style. I come to put Times New Roman. Now I can change the color to be formatted the same way like this. After this, also you can convert it into text to also to get this link. Now as you see, this now see why is community involvement coordination building retrieved now these data as we have here. Also in the edition of 7th edition of APA, you can also choose to remove this. As you see, we have cited using APA as you see here, and you can choose whether you cite with Chicago. You can choose whether you cite to use Harvard. You can choose also whether you cite to use MLA 7th edition. It sort of depends on which one you want to be citing. So now let me go back and show you if you have two authors or more authors. So now I come back here, this failed. Now I put the name here again. So if I have to, now I add now semicolons. Now I go to add another name, for example, John. If it's a John by, so now I got another name, for example, I have John Marie as also that maybe those are three authors I have. If there's one is I have to add semicolons between them, then I click OK. If I click OK, you can see I update the information. That is going to change here, and I can edit if I have, and like this I can convert to text and also add. And if I want to be adding add. So now if I go back here at the bottom and I update this one, it is going to be updating itself. If I click here, then I update. So if I click updates, yes, I can choose to update this information here, or I can change also the information from. So I can delete this one. Also, let me come back again and choose this one. reference. If I choose a reference, as you can see, also the names are going to be changing themselves. Now I come again and format this information on my home tab. I put time in New Romance, then I click here. So I come again also here, then I put, I try to see this link. As you see, the authors have changed to 3 authors. Now this is how you can cite using APA citations or any kind of citations using automatic way of citing in MS Word. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or comment, if you have any suggestion or issue, leave it in a comment section. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, No Max TV, and turn the notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at No Max TV.